Task number 2, how to use TryHackMe. So as you can see, this advent of cyber is very, let's say, targeted to beginners, right? It's a perfect way to get into cyber. A short TryHackMe tutorial. New tasks are released daily at 4 p.m. GMT time, with the first challenge being released on 1st of December, all aimed at beginners. Each task in the event will include instructions on how to interact with the practical material. Please follow them carefully. The instructions will include a connection card similar to the one shown below. So, virtual machine in split screen plus credentials. Do I need to start the attack box today? No. Do I need to start the virtual machine today? Yes. Is there a split screen available? Yes. Is there a direct link available? No. I am given credentials to connect directly to the virtual machine via RDP, VNC, or SSH. Yes. Actually, you can read in the title, and here is just another extra information just to be sure that you are doing the correct steps. VM in split screen plus credentials. So you will have a VM where you can open the split screen, and you will have also credentials. Let's work our way through the different options. If the attack box option is available, TryHackMe's attack box is an Ubuntu virtual machine hosted in the cloud. Think of the attack box as your virtual computer, which you would use to conduct a security engagement. There will be multiple tasks during the event that will ask you to deploy the attack box. You can deploy the attack box by clicking Start Attack Box button at the top of the page. You go exactly to the top of the page, right? And you will have it like here. Start Attack Box. Using the web-based attack box, you can complete exercises through your browser. If you're a regular user, you can deploy the attack box for free for 1 hour a day. If you're a subscribed user, you can deploy it for an unlimited amount of time. Please note that you can use your own attacker machine instead of the attack box. In this case, you will need to connect using VPN. Just search for this keyword, OpenVPN and CyberTodd, and you will see, because I made custom videos specifically for this. I think I have also shorts. I have shorts for sure with how to connect to the VPN, with troubleshoots and stuff like that. Instructions on how to set up a VPN are here. Yeah, so obviously TryHackMe provides you with how to connect to their VPN and troubleshoot stuff. You can open the attack box full screen. Yes, so basically, when you open the split view, you will have this icon. By pressing it, you will open a new tab with the virtual machine in full screen. If the virtual machine option is available, most tasks in Advent of Cyber will have a virtual machine attached to them. You will use some of them as targets to train your offensive security skills, and some of them as hosts for your analysis and investigations. If this option is available, you need to click Start Machine button. Set up your virtual environment to successfully complete it. Yeah, so basically it will display in this exact way, and you just click Start the machine. After the machine is deployed, you will see a frame appear to the top of the room. This is the exact frame that it will appear after the machine has started. It will display some important information like the IP of the machine, of the target machine, as well as your options to extend the machine timer or terminate it. If the split screen option is available, some tasks will allow you to view your deployed virtual machine in a split screen view. Typically, if this option is enabled, the split screen will open automatically. If it doesn't, you can click the button at the top of the page for the split screen to open. So basically at the top of the page, when you start the attack box, you will see after the attack box is loaded, show split view. Actually, you will see after the machine has started, you will see the show split view. Please note that you can open a split view virtual machine in another tab using this. Yes, again, as I said, if you open up the virtual machine and you press this icon, it will open in a new tab your virtual machine in full screen. If there is a direct link available, some virtual machines allow you to view the necessary contents directly in another tab on your browser. In this case, you'll be able to see a link to your virtual machine directly in the task contents, basically as we can see over here. Please note that for the link to work, you need to deploy the virtual machine attached to the lab. If there is a direct connection option available, some tasks will allow you to connect to the virtual machines attached using RDP, SSH, or VNC. This is always optional, and virtual machines with this enabled will also be accessible via a split screen. In these cases, login credentials via prompt will be prompted, like in the image below. Look how cool this looks. We'll give you username, password, IP of the machine, and also the command that you have to use. Amazing. We provide this as some users might prefer to connect directly. However, please note that some tasks will be deliberately have this option disabled. If no credentials are given, direct connection is not possible. Now that the admin is out of the way, you are ready to get warmed up for this year's event. Answer the questions below. Got it. All right.